First, flour is placed in the front feed pot and the rear feed pot. Turn on the power, turn on the machine, and observe the operation of the machine. Make the roller inside the machine for flour. The purpose of this step is to prevent the dough from sticking to the nip roll. Next, let's make the dough. First, boil the water. Add hot water one by one. Make the flour into the dough. Make sure the dough is not sticky. Stop the machine and take out the dough. Remove the dough from the mixing bar and knead it on the chopping board to form a rectangular. Put the rectangular dough into the feed pot in the middle of the machine. Install the filter plate of the machine. The purpose of this step is to screen out the flour in the finished product. Constantly cuts the dough into a boba. The The final product size is uniform and the breakage rate is low. About the cleaning of the boba machine, mainly to remove the flaw on the surface of the boba making machine. You can also turn on the machine to clean the machine at lower speed. Finally, use an air gun to blow the flaw away. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us.